Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed this look. It is a super green glittery eye look thing. I only used the Morphe 35B palette and a glitter palette, and I think it came out pretty well. So if you, whoa, kicking my camera, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Starting off, I'm going to take my Trish McAvoy number 29 tapered blending brush and dipping into the Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to combine these three middle green colors together. And then I'm going to take it and just blend it all over the lid. And then taking my Morphe M330 brush, I'm just going to dip into the darkest green in the palette and stay more in the crease area. To blend all the edges and colors together, I'm taking this clean MAC brush and just going to blend everything together. With the Morphe M429 brush, I'm going to dip into the black and just define my crease a little bit more. To blend everything back together, I'm just going to alternate between the Trish McAvoy tapered blending, the Morphe M330, and the Morphe M429 until I'm satisfied with the way it looks. Taking my NYX glitter primer, I'm just going to take some of that on my pinky and just place it where I want the glitter. In the Elise Marie Cosmetics glitter palette, I'm going to take the color Deep Blue Sea, which is that one, and I'm just going to pack it on my lid where the glue is. I'm just going to sharpen up the edge of the glitter in the eyeshadow with that M429 brush again. Blend the glitter into the eyeshadow. I'm just going to dip into the dark green and navy blue from the palette with my tapered blending and just pack it on the outer corner. Taking my L'Oreal black liquid liner, I'm just going to quickly throw on a wing. For lashes, I'm taking Spells from Mimi Artistry and just Duo Lash Glue. This is the eye look. Yeah. I went to Walmart, of course. That's my go-to. And I purchased two things today. This is the Burt's Bees Goodness Glows Liquid Makeup in 1005 Porcelain. And this is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Light Bronze. So, we're going to try those out today. This is my Morphe 6C color correcting thing. This is truly a look. This should be the look right here. This is it. Enjoy. So I'm gonna do a pump that is thick. freaking ghost, dude. Oh my god. I need to start fake tanning. I'm gonna take this Instant Age Rewind in the color Fair and try and cover up this orange crap. I'm gonna set my under eyes with my powder. We're gonna try this bronzer. Oh my god, it smells good. While everything is baking, I'm gonna take this Sephora dual end contour highlight brush. I'm gonna take this delicious smelling freaking butter bronzer. And I guess we'll just see what happens. Continuing, I'm really into this. I'm super into this. I'm so happy I bought this. Yes. It looks so good. And my face smells so good. I'm gonna take my Kat Von D concealer brush, I think. And maybe a little orange. Oh god, it's orange. Okay, it's fine. We'll just blend it out a little. I'm going to take, where is it? My Sephora collection illuminating palette. And I'm just gonna go with all of them. Alright, I'm gonna put some blush on. I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild ombre blush in the color, don't know. I feel like that's about it for the face. To finish off the eyes, I'm gonna go back in with our Morphe 35B palette. This little brush I feel like is good. This is the Morphe M138 brush. I think I'm just gonna dip into this one, maybe that one, I don't know. With this little brush, this is just a NYX blending brush. Maybe it's a tapered blending brush. I don't really know. I'm actually gonna go in with this navy blue right here. I got some new mascara, and I have not put mascara on my like upper lashes, so I'm just gonna blend these falsies with it. God. Okay, lips. I'm gonna try this. This is one of the Kylie collections in the color Angel. When you suck at putting lipstick on. I feel like I want something lighter. Like way lighter. Maybe that orange. Let's try that. Okay, this is another Kylie collection in the color Exposed. Let's see how this looks. I guess this is the final look. I ended up not really liking the lips, so I just took whatever was left and, you know, did that. But other than that, I love how the eye look came out. I think it looks so freaking bomb. Like, I want to go out right now. I have nowhere to go, but like, I want to go out. Yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this little green glitter eye look tutorial thing. And if any of y'all are currently freshmen moving into your dorm in 2 months, or, you know, just enjoy watching move-in vlogs, y'all should go check out my move-in vlog from last semester. I'm almost at 10,000 views, which, like, I don't know how that happened, honestly, but anyways, yeah, hope y'all enjoyed. Be sure to check out my other videos, and that's about it. Bye, guys.